Recording on what is a document type. My name is Steve Tenori and I am a member of the professional services team here at Ephesoft. The goal of this recording is to explain what a document type is and how it relates to Ephesoft Transact. Today we're going to cover how document types are used to hold classification training samples for the specified doc type. We're going to also talk about how the document types contain the configuration of index fields, which are used to store specific data about the document type. And we're going to then talk about how document types are portable. Before we begin, let's first take a look at some sample documents in my environment here. For example, I have a contract document type, an invoice document type, a loan estimate document type, a uniform application doc type, and a W-9 document type. So now if I want to take those sample document types and define them in Ephesoft Transact, what I'll do is open up my batch class management and I'll go and open up one of my batch classes. When I open up my batch class, if I go to the document types section, here I'll see the doc types that are defined for this particular batch class. So looking at the previous doc samples, I've got 5 doc types here defined. If I want to train these document types for classification, I can train them right here in the UI by selecting the doc type in particular and drag and dropping my samples down here in the bottom. In addition to holding the classification samples, the doc types also are used to store index fields. Index fields are used to store specific data about the document type. These index fields can be filled in via a extraction rule, programmatically, or having an operator manually keying in the values. Once I've set up my document types for classification and extraction, they are portable inside of Ephesoft Transact. To move the document type to another batch class or to another Transact environment, I can select one or many doc types in my current batch class and just click the export button. This will give you a nice zip file that you can then take to your other batch class or to your other Ephesoft Transact server. And you just drag and drop down in this bottom corner to import that document type into your new batch class or your new server. So today we talked about what is a document type in Ephesoft Transact. It contains classification training samples for a specific document type. It contains a configuration of index fields, which are used for extraction or storing specific data associated with that document type. And document types are portable and can be moved between batch classes or Transact environments. Thank you for watching the video on what is a document type.